Chinfong Machine Industrial Company Limited. Chinfong Multifunction Link Drive Servo Press integrates the mechanical press with a digital servo control system. Its servo control system provides the editable slide motion for various hard-forming materials, extending its applicability. Chinfong Servo Press provides user-friendly touchscreen interface. It improves the operationality and offers immediate operation monitor with parameters. Chinfong Servo Control System adopts the standard market-sold and made-in-Taiwan system. The servo motor improves production efficiency and decreases power consumption within production. It can save power cost for the customer. The high-precision optical scale with built-in BDC repeatability system increases the yield rate and extends the tooling life. The front auto safety door is designed for easy maintenance and tool calibration. Adding with front light curtain can improve operational safety. The control system has 6 built-in stamping modes. Standard mode. Input the running speed to switch into operation screen for running. It is easy for setting. It also keeps the slide quickly descending and slowly forming. The standard mode can be applied for normal blanking or bending, like hardware product, automobile parts, LCD, and phone frames. Drawing mode. Its motion curve can be adjusted in the height of speed changing and running speed. So the speed of forming area can decrease to the lowest to avoid surface cracking from fast stress change in a forming period. The drawing mode is applied in parts drawing, like steel mug and stationary box. Coining mode. In this mode, more than the adjustment in the height of speed change and running speed, it provides the adjustable slide motion stay at the BDC. The press keeps pressing the part during the pause. It prevents the material from springing back. That offers the sufficient forming time and holds the pressure for coining completion before the die leaving the parts. The coining mode is applied in parts coining like coins, logo coining, and metal coining. Heating in die mode. Not just the adjustable speed, change height, and running speed. The greatest feature is for setting the safety height and time adjustable before reaching BDC. It is developed for the hard-forming material like magnesium alloy. Magnesium alloy needs to be heated for forming, but its heat radiates quickly and its forming temperature range is narrow. The defect rate is high due to the unstable temperature in processing. The heating in die mode can preheat the magnesium alloy inside the die while longer staying at BDC and form the material slowly. So it can be used in laptop and cell phone case made from hard-forming material like magnesium alloy. Feeder mode. It provides the adjustable stop height and time after passing the BDC. The mode is applied in the automation line of multiple presses integration. Each press has different production processes in the line, and the stamping speeds are different. The feeder mode can synchronize the production frequency and feeding speed with each one. Pulse mode. It provides an up and down pulse curve within the forming area. That makes the slide move up and down again and again to release the stress during stamping. In this way, it can deepen the drawing length on the part gradually and increase the yield rate of drawing long and thin parts like lipstick shell and battery case. Now we are showing the heating and die process with the magnesium alloy material. First, preheat the die. Second, put the magnesium alloy plate into the die. Then run the press to hold and heat the plate, and it will slowly form the plate into the required shape. The magnesium alloy is light and high strength. It's widely used in laptop, cell phone, tablet PC case, and automobile parts. With the Chinfong servo press, the magnesium alloy material forming difficulty will not be a problem. The heating and die mode of the servo press can improve the yield rate and production efficiency. Besides the varied and complete motion curves, Chinfong link drive servo press, unlike the conventional press machine, is specially designed in appearance and color. Chinfong servo press is not only a press having complete features, but also a piece of modern art.